everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video tutorial on me using the new Revolution Pro palette, the nude one. I've done some swatches and that on it the other day, just to show you again. I'm really impressed. I'm just going to take that, bit of that creamy product and just put that all over my lid. I'm going to go into that colour Delight, that's that sort of peachy colour, so I'm going to go in with that. Just start with a wee sort of nice sort of, not a dating look, but a more subtle look to begin with. So I'm just going to put that all over and into my crease. It's a smaller brush, and I'm going to go in with that colour, the Karma, which is just below Delight. It's kind of a matte shade, but just a bit deeper. I'm going to go in with that, and I'm just going to keep that on the outer edge. That's a really nice colour. So just keep that on, you can see how it's really building up well. This flat brush, and I think I'll pick up, I don't know what I'll go for. I think I'll go for that glitzed colour. I know I might go for the, do you know what, I'm going to go for that. The golden it's called, so I'll put a bit more of that base on. Just before I'm going to apply that, that's the kind of like the chunkier glitter product. I'm going to use my fingers for that because I think that's the best way to do it. I'll just dab a bit of it on. Just do that. See that building up there? Then I think I'm going to go in over that with that nice glitzed, which is that kind of shimmery shade up there. So I'm just going to use this one again, the one I used with the cream on it, and just tap that over on my lid. I'm going to put in Carmine, Majestic now, so that's that colour there. I just want to deepen it a bit now that I went in with that darker kind of colour. I'm not keen on working with these glittery ones, I'll have to be honest. I find them quite difficult to work with, but then so it's glitter in general, isn't it? Go in with this, there's a nice down there, that's a shimmer, Hidden it's called. I think I'd rather use that and go in with that instead of That's Better. That's a nice kind of cranberry shimmer shade. I'm preferring that. That's better. Just kind of take off that, get rid of that shimmer because that glitter, because as much as it looks lovely, it's just very hard to work with. If you put it over, so if you put that shimmer on first and then the glitter, it actually goes on a bit easier than just using the base, which is what I was doing there. It doesn't work the same. So I'm just going to deepen it up a bit, a nice kind of berry cranberry look. Nice kind of take it in there, and so don't worry about the mess and that. I'm going to tidy all that up. Then I'll take it underneath now. I'm just going to get a pencil brush like that, and then I'm going to go in with the Delight first. That was the lightest shade underneath. The light sort of shimmer, matte shade. Take that in first. Then go in with the Karma, which was the deeper shade underneath. And then I'm going to go in with that nice colour again, that Majestic, the really dark berry shade, cranberry shade. Just deepen it a wee bit. This is, I think, a Barry M1, the bold black. Put close to the lash line as possible. And I'll just use that pencil brush just to smudge it out. So I'll just put a wee bit more. I just want to build it up a wee bit to get right in. So I think I'll do the same on the top as well. I'm just going to do a lash, on my lash line at the top. Just going to do just a rough, it's not going to be anything, not a wing or anything, but just a bit of, and smudge that out on the top, just with my wee tiny brush there. Just gives a wee bit more depth to the look. And now I'm going to go back in and just deepen that crease a little bit more. What I think I'll do is just take a bit of this up here, join it to the end, and I'll go in with this little brush again, that Majestic, which is the darkest shade in there. And then just get a clean fluffy brush just to blend that a wee bit more. So I'm liking the colours now. As I say, I'm not keen on the glitter on its own. It's okay over that shimmer shade. Even at that, I don't think I'll use them much, to be honest. Then I'm going to just do my lashes. Right, I'm going to use a wee bit of this mascara. Now this mascara is the Kat Von D, the Go Big or Go Home mascara. I just use it myself now. I've took it out of my kit because it started not as much left in it. So I use it on myself. I find this irritates my eyes after a while. I'm wearing it now because I'm only going to take this off soon. But I wore this a couple of times now and I had it on like all day, and by sort of late afternoon my eyes get really sensitive and itchy. I just feel like I need to keep scratching at my eyes. And I think it's a mascara. I can't think of anything. It just seems to have happened when I've been wearing that. So it's a lovely mascara. It goes on really nice. But if you're like me, you get quite sensitive eyes, I would avoid this for a lot. It's okay for a little bit, but I wouldn't wear this all day. That's me got all my base on now. I've put that on, put some bronzer on, foundation, done my brows. So I'm going to go in with the first lipstick, which it's not the one called Thirst, I think it's Stripped, that's what it's called. So I've already depotted, that's a bit funny shape. I've taken it out and put it into my palette, so I'll just use what's here. This is a really lovely matte colour, a matte nude colour, matte consistency. It looks really creamy. Sometimes I find matte lipsticks can be quite drying. I'm not a lipstick person in general, I don't wear lipstick, I love gloss. The gloss can be quite sticky, so I don't mind a lipstick if it's nice, if it's not too drying. So we'll see what this one's like. I've got nothing on my lips at the moment. Oh, that's lovely. That's such a nice nude colour. I'm going to take some photos and then I'll come back and try the other colour. I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so I'm now going to try this other lipstick, which is called Thirst. I think this is like a deep kind of berry colour. I've still got that other colour on, and in fact I will just take it off. I wasn't going to, but I'll just take it off. Right, let's try this. So again, I've already put it in my kit, I've depotted it, but this looks a really nice, not a colour, I mean I'm not a deep, like personally wearing deep colours a lot, it doesn't really suit me I don't think, but I'm going to try this, especially with the eye look. I think the eye look's quite heavy and quite deep, so I probably wouldn't wear this and this together, but just for the sake of showing what it's like. And I don't know, oh here's my mirror, so let's give this a wee shot. That's really nice. Nice colour. And it feels okay, it feels comfortable on. It not too feeling talking, too drying. I've got my teeth. That's the thing I hate about deep colours, I always end up with it in my teeth. See, it's not a colour I would wear especially with this eye look, but it's actually, I like it. And I think this would be nice in a bride who wants a really deep colour but not too in your face. Oh, that's it, so I'll go and take some photos of that look as well. Yeah, I'm quite liking that too. As I say, it's not my kind of colour. I don't think I suited my dark lip, but I'll go and take some photos of that and share them. Do that just now.